In today's video, we're going to unveil an exciting opportunity for you to make $8 every minute by simply typing captions and earning money online. Now, for those who might not be familiar with CAPTCHAs, these are those little tests you often encounter when signing up for websites where you verify you're not a robot. Sometimes they ask you to select boxes containing buses or boats, and other times, they require you to type in what's shown. You might be wondering, can you really get paid for typing CAPTCHAs? Well, that's precisely what we'll demonstrate today. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on new online money-making methods. We value your opinions, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. Let's dive into our first website, CAPTCHA.com, where two-factor authentication is what it stands for. Interestingly, this isn't the highest-paying platform around. So if you're curious about the top earner among the three websites, stick with us until the end for that reveal. As you can see, CAPTCHA lets you work from the comfort of your home or office, and it offers instant payments. Getting started is a breeze. All you need is a computer, a keyboard, and an internet connection. The basic idea is quite simple. There are various images that need recognition, and some customers are willing to pay for this recognition service. They've developed a platform that benefits both customers and workers. When a customer submits images, these are collected and sent to you, the worker, through a straightforward interface. Your job is to enter the text correctly based on the displayed images for each CAPTCHA. For each correctly entered CAPTCHA, you'll earn money. To kickstart your journey on this platform, you'll only need to create an account and hit the Start Work button. The system will then walk you through a series of training tasks, demonstrating what you need to do. Within 5 to 10 minutes, you'll be earning money by solving captions. Payment rates are set at 30 cents for every 1,000 normal CAPTCHAs, which take about 11 seconds each to solve. Additionally, you can earn $1.01 for every 1,000 recaptures, which usually take 21 seconds to complete. The steps to solve a standard CAPTCHA are quite simple. Once the CAPTCHA image is extracted from the page and sent to the CAPTCHA service, a worker, whether it's you or someone else, enters the correct text in the designated field. You'll then receive the answer, which needs to be entered in the appropriate field to successfully solve the CAPTCHA. So, go ahead, click on Get Paid, and you'll be directed to the payment page. Follow the registration process as usual, and once you're logged in, you can start working and earning, even if you're new to this platform. Introducing our second platform, MegaTypers.com, a user-friendly space that allows you to earn typer credits worth over $200 each month while performing a straightforward task that offers good value for your effort. MegaTypers.com operates as a workforce management company, specializing in providing data entry services to various organizations, both private and public. Their core mission is to assist clients in their digitization efforts, primarily by converting scanned paper documents into editable digital formats. Their services encompass a wide range of tasks, including image-to-text recognition, transcription from voice to text, and aiding the visually impaired in overcoming online visual challenges. MegaTypers.com is actively seeking typists from across the globe to join their team and collaborate on these tasks. The prerequisites are minimal. All you need is a computer with an internet connection and the ability to type at a rate of at least 10 words per minute. What's great about working here is that their schedules are quite flexible, giving you the freedom to work at any time of the day or night, for as long as you desire. The faster you type, the more hyper credits you can accumulate, and these credits can be conveniently converted into $1 currency at any time. This platform proves to be an excellent resource, suitable for various individuals. It's ideal for stay-at-home mothers, students, those in between jobs, or parents looking to supplement their income with a part-time job. Your earnings depend on the volume of work you can handle, with typists generally earning between $100 and $250 in typer credits each month, based on their performance. Payment rates start at 45 cents for every 1,000 words typed from an image, and this rate can increase to as much as $1.50 in typer credits for every 1,000 words typed, depending on the word count. Payments are facilitated through debit cards, bank checks, PayPal, WebMoney, Perfect Money, Visa, and Western Union. Additionally, Typer credits can be effortlessly converted into $1 currency. Getting started is a breeze. Simply click on the Sign Up button provided on their website and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process. Once you've wrapped up the necessary paperwork, you can dive into the work and start earning right away. Kolotibablo.com is the final website for this video, and this is the part where you guys have been waiting for as it pays the highest. And this is how it looks. Everybody deserves a secure job, so what makes Kolotibablo special? First off, Kolotibablo has been in operation since 2007, which exudes reliability. They have declared that leaving is not on the agenda. Secondly, the accuracy is top-notch with their accurate statistics system. It allows you to stay on top of all your submissions and payments. And not to forget, there is liquidity where you can withdraw your money instantly through a diverse set of payment systems, or you can also choose to transfer them to another account. As you scroll down, you can witness testimonials, which inevitably increases further credibility, leaving you rest assured that this is legitimate. To kick things off, click on the Start Working button and, as standard, fill up the necessary information required, and once you are done with it, you can get to work right away and get paid as soon as the next business day. If you want to achieve the best results, I recommend you to test all of the websites, as that is the best way to maximize and to get what you want. We will never know anything until we try. That's a wrap for today's insights. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Once again, this is Ideas from CAPTCHAs. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.